about everyday life. They tell you not to worry about everyday life. Can all your worries add a single moment to your life? Look at the birds. Look at the birds. Look at the birds. Look at the birds. And if God cares so wonderfully for wildflowers, He will certainly care for you. And if God cares so wonderfully for wildflowers, He will certainly care for you. Can all your worries add a single moment to your life? So don't worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will bring its own worries. Today's trouble is enough for today. Yeah, look at the birds. Look at the birds. Look at the birds.
It's a beautiful song. You know what that's telling me? God knows every hair numbered on our head.
Can all your worries
I listen to that song every day. He cares about the birds. What do you think He cares even more? Look at this. God even made these birds come over here so I can record this video. How amazing is that? Just so that we can get this message out to y'all. I'm sitting in the parking lot at my job, man. Is that beautiful or what? This don't never happen. Look at that. I'm gonna thank God right now that God made these birds come over here and do this. Look at that. Look at that. They're surrounding me right now. Look at this. Look how beautiful God is. But anyways, Jesus loves y'all. I love y'all. I appreciate everyone that always stops in, shares. Hopefully y'all share some love of Jesus as well. I hope you have a blessed Thursday. And again, I'm going to continue to pray for you all. I pray for all my Facebook friends and family, all my church brothers and sisters, all my family. I love y'all, and God bless you. In Jesus' mighty name.